Art Sparks is for the art lovers. Kids to teens, they get to come here and do art all year round. Well, my art classes are so much more than just an art class. We develop critical thinking, we develop our problem solving, we learn how to be more confident, to have self-expression. Oh, my art classes, we learn about different artists, history, geography, the natural world. I love animals, the children will tell you that. They listen and learn from each other. They develop some good manners because, I like those in the studio too. We make sure that we're respectful of each other's artwork, the materials. They learn how to really relax and how art can really lower stress levels, and we can really just enjoy process and the results. I'm Wendy, and I've been running my Art Sparks classes for children for about 13 years. I'm passionate about teaching children visual arts. I love the opportunity to encourage self-expression and really give them a chance to get messy and explore different techniques. So art materials we use different types of paints, acrylics, poster paints, watercolours. We use different types of pastels. For drawing different techniques, we might use chalky pastels, charcoal, pen line, pencil. We also do a bit of printmaking, we do some textiles and some construction stuff, all good fun. I inspire creativity by presenting the children with various projects. They then respond to those in an individual way, and we want individuality here in my art studio. No carbon copies, thank you very much. I guide and mentor them, I demonstrate techniques, I introduce new skills, we have fun along the way. It's a balance between structured learning and creative freedom. I love teaching art. I love seeing the joy and wonder of their own self-reflection on their experience and the result of their artwork, how they come together. That's the magic.